Are you planning a team get-together or a planning workshop for your organisation? And have you considered using a professional facilitator? Well, a skilled facilitator can bring many benefits to your workshop. They can help you with the planning of the workshop and design an effective agenda that would help you ensure that you achieve the outcomes that you're looking for from your workshop. They allow you and all the attendees to fully engage in discussions without getting bogged down in managing the meeting. A facilitator will bring a neutral perspective. They will encourage open dialogue and feedback, and this leads to a much richer, more collaborative environment. A professional facilitator has experience in tools and techniques to engage all parties and to cater for different behavioural characteristics. This keeps everyone engaged and leads to a more productive environment. And finally, an experienced facilitator will lead to clearer outcomes, resulting in a workshop that delivers real value for you. So, if you would like to talk with us to facilitate your next workshop, or if you have any questions, please reach out. We'd love to hear from you.